Today we're going to make a wrap for our luggage handle. We need 2 pieces of fabric, 6 inches by 7 inches. I'm using the same for the inside and outside. You can use 2 different fabrics if you'd like. We need a piece of batting, 6 inches by 7 inches. And then we need a piece of velcro, 5 inches long. We want right sides facing together. And then we want the batting on top. We're going to stitch all the way around it and leave a couple inches open on one of the sides for turning. Alright, when that's stitched, go ahead and clip your corners and then turn it right side out. Alright, when that's right side out, we need to cut out away some of this extra batting here. So go ahead and just cut out about 1/4 inch from this open seam. It'll just make it easier to sew it closed. Alright, we're going to turn this under 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch, and iron a nice sharp press in it, and then we're going to stitch all the way around. It'll close this up and it'll give a nice top stitching around. Alright, I did this stitching all the way around. While I was at it, I took the soft side of the Velcro and stitched it on one end. Now we need to put the crunchy side on, so we're going to flip this over. We're going to work off of this side. We're not going to work off this end. We're going to start from here on this end. We're going to measure 2.5 inches in, and let's just make a mark there. On that 2.5 inch mark, I'm going to place the Velcro right in the middle of that spot. We want it centered right on the 2.5 inch mark, and then I'm going to go stitch that down. Alright, we have it attached to the luggage handle. I wouldn't recommend having this section hanging out, so you're going to want to just adjust it so that this is on the underside. Super quick, super easy luggage handle cover.